Hello all. Today we'll be talking about these 4 questions. We have 4 questions which are very close to each other, but they differ in very subtle ways. Like first question is, if a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards, what is the probability that the drawn card is either a king or a queen? Now it is either a king or a queen. So it could be a king or a queen. Now what we need to look into is this experiment of drawing a card and checking it whether it is a king or a queen is mutually exclusive or non-mutually exclusive? What is mutually exclusive? Mutually exclusive is one prevents the other. If one has happened, other cannot happen. And non-mutually exclusive, two events can happen together. Two events can happen together. Now we have two events over here, king, queen. Can these two events happen together? No. If a card is king, it cannot be a queen. If a card is queen, it cannot be a king. So this is a case of mutually exclusive experiments or outcomes. Experiment with mutually exclusive outcomes. A bag contains, second one is a bag contains 5 black, 3 white and 4 red balls. If a ball is drawn, what is the probability that drawn ball is either black or white? Now again, a black ball cannot be white in color or a white ball cannot be black in color. So this again is literally similar to the first question, with the difference being that there were 52 cards. Here we have 5 black, 3 white and 4 red alternatives. So once again, this is a case of mutually exclusive outcomes. Black prohibits white, white stops black from coming. If we have a white ball, black is not possible. If we have a black ball, white is not possible. Next, what is the probability of drawing a card of heart or king from a pack of cards? Now here we have a card of heart or king. So the card could be a heart or it could be a king. Is this a case of mutually exclusive or non-mutually exclusive? In simple words, can these two happen together or not? Is there even a single card in that deck which is heart also and king also? Yes, there is one card which is heart and king, and that card is heart of king. So this becomes a case of non-mutually exclusive. Now if you have seen the other video, you might remember that for mutually exclusive we have different addition rule, and for non-mutually exclusive we have different addition rule. Why are we talking of addition? Because we have or. Or takes us into addition. All these questions are based on or. Either this event or the other event. So all these experiments will become a part of addition rule. Now last question is, 50 balls are numbered from 1 to 50 and are put into a bag. What is the probability that the number on a ball drawn is multiple of 5 or 6 or 8? Multiple of 5 or 6 or 8. This is what we need to check. What is the probability that it will be a multiple of 5 or 6 or 8? This is what we need to find out. Now, is this a case of mutually exclusive or non-mutually exclusive? Is there any number which is divisible multiple of 5 also and 6 also? Yes, I do remember a number. 30 is one such number which is divisible by 5 also and 6 also, or in other words is multiple of 5 and 6. Is there any number which is 5 and 8? Yes, 40 is one such number which is multiple of both. 48 is multiple of both 6 and 8. So there are quite a few numbers which are multiples of both 5, 6, 5, 8, 6, 8 or any other combination. So this again is a case of non-mutually exclusive. So now that we are through with our initial analysis, we know that first question is OR type question with mutually exclusive. Second is OR again with mutually exclusive. Third is OR non-mutually exclusive, and last one is OR non-mutually exclusive. So let us go ahead and solve these questions. So to solve these questions, let us import these questions once again. So here are our questions. We have our first question, second, third and fourth. Remember, first and second were OR type with mutually exclusive. Third and fourth were OR types with non-mutually exclusive, or mutually exclusive or mutually exclusive. Now let us see what happens when we talk of this mutually exclusive, non-mutually exclusive. Here we have our first question. What is it? If a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards, what is the probability that the drawn card is either a king or a queen? So we wish to know probability of king or queen, which can be written like this also, K union Q. You could write in either ways. Okay. So now what is the probability of king or queen? If you remember, the formula is probability of king plus probability of queen minus probability of king and queen. This could have been written here if it were a case of non-mutually exclusive, but our question is a mutually exclusive question. King or queen, these two cannot happen together, so there is no way that you'll be having this term. So our answer will be probability of king plus probability of queen. What is the probability of drawing a king from deck? 4 by 52. What is the probability of drawing a queen? It is again 4 by 52. So making it 8 by 52. So our answer is 8 by 52. What is the probability of the card being king or queen? It is 8 by 52. So this was our first question, which was a case of mutually exclusive outcomes, and we were using addition rule. Why addition rule? Because we had OR in our question. Now, let us get on with our second question. What is our second question? The second question is, a bag contains 5 black, 3 white and 4 red balls. 5 black, this is our second one, 5 black, 3 white and 4 red balls. Now if I put my hand in this bag, keeping my eyes closed, how many balls can I feel in there? 5 and 3, 8 and 4, 12 balls in all. Now question is, what is the probability that a ball drawn will be either black or white? Now again, a black ball means that it cannot be a white ball. A white ball drawn means it cannot be a black ball. So how do we frame it? Probability of black or white. It will be probability of black plus probability of white. Probability of black would be, in those 12 balls, out of those 12 balls, how many are black? 5 are black. So probability of success of black is 5 by 12. Or being indicated by plus, addition rule, white. What is the probability of white? There are 12 balls of which 3 are white. So probability will be 3 by 12, making it a total of 8 by 12. So probability of black or white is 8 by 12. This was our second question. Now what is our third question? It says What is the probability of drawing a card of heart or king? Now this question is a case of non-mutually exclusive information. Events. King or heart. King or heart. These are non-mutually exclusive events because both can occur simultaneously. There can be a card which is a king also and a heart also. So let us get on with this third question. Probability of king or heart. Remember, this is a non-mutually exclusive question, so our solution would be probability of king plus probability of heart minus probability of king and heart. King and heart, because there are certain cards which are king and heart. What is probability of drawing a king? It is 4 by 52. Heart is 13 by 52. And what is the probability of a king and a heart? There is only one such card which is king also and heart also. So that will be 1 by 52, making it 52 becomes your LCM. You get 4 plus 13 minus 1. So probability of king or heart becomes 17 minus 1, 16 upon 52. This was our third question. It was a case of non-mutually exclusive outcomes. Now last one is our fourth one. What is the fourth one? 50 balls are numbered from 1 to 50 and put into a bag. So now this time our bag contains 50 balls. And all those balls have numbers from 1 to 50. Now if you draw a ball, let's say, which has 30 on it. So if it has a 30 on it, then it will be divisible by 5 also and 6 also. In other words, 30 will be a multiple of 5 also and 6 also. 5 6s are 30, 6 5s are 30. So in that case, 30 becomes, the ball number 30 becomes a ball which lists in 5 also, 6 also. It will be in 5 group also and 6 group also. So let us proceed and see what is the probability of drawing a ball numbered probability of 5 or 6 or 8. What will the solution? It will be probability of 5 plus probability of 6 plus probability of 8 minus probability of 5 and 6 minus probability of 6 and 8 minus probability of 8 and 5 plus probability of 5 and 6 and 8. Now if we compare this formula to the previous one where we only had a subtraction term of AND, here we are having different combinations. There could be 5 and 6, there could be 6 and 8, there could be 8 and 5. So we'll be removing them all. Now in this process what we have done is, if there was a number which was divisible by all three, that would get subtracted thrice. So we'll include it once. Let's see how this pans out. Now the numbers that will be divisible by 5 would be numbers divisible by 6 would be numbers divisible by 8 would be so here are our numbers. Now what do we need? Probability of 5. How many numbers are divisible by 5? Probability of 5 or 6 or 8 is equal to probability of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So probability of 5 would be 10 out of 50. Probability of 6 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 out of 50. Next one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 50. These are P5, P6 and probability of 8. Now the subtraction terms. Minus probability of 5 and 6. Common in 5 and 6. Common in 5 and 6 are these two. 30. That's it. 1 out of 50. These are the common terms in 5 and 6. Okay. Then common in 6 and 8. In 6 and 8 we see that this is common. This is common, so we get 2 out of 50. And then in 8 and 5. In 8 and 5, if we see directly, there is this term 40. Prior to 40 there is nothing in common, so it will be 1 by 50. Then we need to add something which is common to all. There are no numbers which are common to all, so that will be 0 out of 50. So what will be our final answer? 10 plus 8, 18 plus 6, 24 by 50. And subtraction terms will be 2, 3 and 4 out of 50, making it 20 out of 50. So let me see if this answer is correct or not. We have 10 terms over here, then we have 8 over here, 10 and 8, 18, of which 30 is being repeated, so we'll remove it. 10 and 8, 18 minus this common, making it 17. 17, then there we have 6 new terms, so making it 23. Now of these 23, 24, 40, 48, 3 terms are being repeated, so we have 20 unique terms. So our answer is correct. Probability of 5 or 6 or 8 is 20 out of 50. You can count if you wish, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be counted 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Already counted 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, already counted 20, already counted already. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Here are some cards related to the video you just watched. Feel free to browse across them and do leave your comments and suggestions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.